You have the ability to increase your power and your energy to manifest what you desire most. Love, money, better health, a better career, it's up to you. Increase your manifesting energy. It's the secret to manifesting with more power. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today, you and I, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Want to remind you that we have created a unique, a powerful hypnotic audio program. It's miracle hypnosis at its best, and we want to give it to you to bring more abundance, more love, more joy, more happiness into your life. It's our gift from Rachel and I to you. Okay? All you have to do is go to Miracle Hypnosis Online /free audio. Be sure and download it. And hey, my suggestion is to listen to it as you fall asleep at night. It's going to make a huge difference, an impact in your life. High flyers, doesn't it feel good to have energy, to have power, to have everything you need within you to manifest the world that you desire to live in, the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health that you depend upon? But it takes energy to manifest. It takes energy to make the life that you desire happen. So I'm going to give you some things that you might be doing that's kind of choking your energy. Okay, we don't want to choke your energy. We want your energy to flow freely like a river. And we want that energy to help empower your life. So number one is overthinking. Are you one of these people that, I gotta think this thing through. I don't know. I have to make up my mind. I'm not certain, Robert. I just don't know. Yeah, I understand. You don't know either. None of us know. We need to think about it. And we need to think about it to the point where we get a headache. We feel like our head is in a vice. That's overthinking. So here's a piece of information that I think you'll find interesting. The late Andrew Carnegie found that people that have clear goals, a clear direction to their life, these people don't overthink. They know exactly where they're going. They know exactly what they're doing. They know exactly what their priorities are. And so guess what? They do them. And so when something comes into your life that is not part of your plan, not part of your direction, not part of your goals, you automatically just push it aside. It may be fun, it may look cool, but hey, you're not going to be sidetracked because you have clear goals, clear intentions, and you're moving in a positive direction. So when you sit down and you write out your dreams and goals, and you're clear about them, and if you're in a relationship, do that as a couple as well, so that you're both on the same train going in the same direction. Okay, otherwise you've got one of these collision things going on. It's very, very important to know what you desire. Once you know, then you know whether things fit or whether they don't. This is why when we work with clients, we ask them to make a decision right now. Because if they can't make a decision, they're not the kind of person I desire to work with. Because they don't know what their goals are. They don't know what they desire. So all of my business partners have the ability to make a decision because they all have goals. And that's very, very important. Overthinking, gonna tire you out, gonna steal your energy, gonna vampire you of your energy. Stop overthinking it. Just do it. Make it happen. Number two, is inconsistent sleep patterns. And Rachel just rolled her eyes at me because we have a little 2-year-old that likes to wake up in the middle of the night and go, "Mommy!" And then he wants to come into bed with us, which I like. But when I wake up in the morning, I'm kind of, oh man, I could use some more sleep. So you need to have really consistent sleep patterns. And Rachel and I will figure out what we're going to do with Julian. And we're going to train him to sleep in his own bed. But in the meantime, going to bed early, having a regular plan for sleep, very, very important. Making certain that you get the sleep that you require, the sleep that you need to have the energy and the power and the enthusiasm and the excitement to manifest what you desire. Well, number 3 is a biggie. Are you ready? Could be family. Hanging around with negative people. Ouch. We've done whole videos on this. But they will zap you of your energy. I call them vampires. Negative people. You ever met one of these people where after you talk to them for 5 minutes and you try to end the conversation, they won't end the conversation? They keep on talking and talking and talking. And when you finally get off the phone with them or get out of their presence, you just feel like you've been beat up. You feel like somebody took a bamboo whip and just beat you, a bamboo stick and just beat you. I mean, you feel zapped of energy. That's an energy vampire. That's a negative person. So to the best of your ability, I know, hard to deal with family. Sometimes family's negative. But do the best you can to minimize your time with negative people. So high flyers, number 4 is really, really simple. The more you exercise, the more you move your body, the more you remain active, the more energy you will have. Some people think, well, if I go exercise and I work up a sweat, I'm going to be wiped out. I won't have any energy, you know? That's not true. You will actually have more energy. Maybe not that specific day, but over a period of time, you will learn to generate more energy in your body. Exercise every day. And hey, you can move it around. It can be the gym one day. It can be swimming another. It can be walking and hiking. I just ran into a lady that bought a canoe, or what is it? What are they called? Kayak. A kayak. And she said they have a pedal in them. So you're not just doing this, you're pedaling at the same time. That sounds like a blast. I want to go out and get one. That sounds like a lot of fun. Okay, and a great way to move your body. Well, number 5 is holding on to anger. Anger will choke your energy, your flow of energy in your energy field, in your body, in your mind. It will destroy your ability to flow, to love, to care, to feel this abundance and joy in your heart. You must release the anger. And number 6, very simple, just having poor diet habits. I highly recommend that you find a good, clean diet habit, and then you adopt it and you stay with it. Listen, I'm not going to push veganism down you, but I do recommend that you have a lot of vegetables, that you have a vegetable or plant-based diet. High in protein, high in good fats, low in carbohydrates. Get your body used to this new form of diet, and you're going to find you actually have more energy than you did before. But whatever plan you use, stick with the plan. Be consistent. Look at all of this is designed to help you manifest the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health that you depend upon. You need a strong energy center, your body, your energy field, to be able to do that. So look at, if you're lying around going, I just don't have the energy to do that. No matter what your goals are, they're going to be very, very difficult to manifest. We're here to help you. We love you. Have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.